Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well and everyone is fine and ready to learn something new today about Django. First of all, I'm going to review your assignments and then we will go for our first step, which is creating some database models and migrating them. So let me open your assignment here. It is from Cypern. Okay, I have quickly checked your assignments and okay, these are good, good research. But what I was asking to do some research on the update and save functions of the database in terms of network density or the memory consumption. I'm sorry if I wasn't clear in my last video, but no problem. Only two persons have submitted the assignment, Cyprian and IJ Softcode. Actually, I don't remember your names, so I will save your contact with your names. So kindly do share your names again. I'm really sorry about that. I forgot to save them, and that's why you only can see your numbers here. Uh, so far, very good attempt, and I think we should move forward because you guys know about the save and update functions of the database. We will also do the delete in the some in the next few videos. So let's move forward. Okay, today what we are going to do, as we have seen in our last video lecture, that let me open the images. I think let me open the images. I think those are here. Okay, this is going to be our first image, and this is going to be our first model. So what we are going to do, we are going to create this add new application model. This is the information of the owner of the vehicle, so we will do this in the model. Okay, so first of all, let's just open database documentation of Django, and we all know how to create a model, and it's really easy. But what we need here, we need to see some relationship, uh, something about many to one to one, or one to many relationship. Okay, so if we check here, I hope you guys can see this screen. So here is a man to one relationship, and we guys can see to define a man to one relationship, use this, and what we are going to do, we are going to take this car and manufacturer example here. So for example, if a car model has a manufacturer, that is a manufacturer makes multiple cars, but each car has only one manufacturer. Same is the case of ours. A owner can have multiple vehicles, but one vehicle cannot have multiple owners. Okay, so the case is same. So what we will do, we will take this example and use it in our own way. We will customize this example and we will use it in our own customized way. So let me just open it. Okay. So as we know, we need to use this import, which we already have here. I'm going to remove this comment from here. And what we will do, we are using manufacturer and car example. I'm going to use the same one, but different name, class owner. Okay, nothing complicated, nothing fancy. Models dot model, and what we will do, we will manage what first of all, we are going to save this CNIC, a national ID, or you can call it anything that you like. I'm going to call it CNIC just to make it equal to exactly equal to our example. And what we will do, we are going to make it a foreign key, but not yet. Okay, so first of all, let me just it will be a string. It will be a string, so I'm going to do models dot Javit and max length is going to equal to, okay, so we have a limited number of characters in a CNIC, so let me count it. It is actually 15, so I just counted. There are 15 characters in our CNIC, and what we are going to do, we are going to use verbose name, because I'm going to call it national ID card number. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make it primary key and true. Okay, so this is going to be our primary key. This field is done. What we next we are going to do the first name, and this is also going to be model dot chart field, models dot chart field. Max length should be 50 characters. I'm going to give it some space here, and the verbose name is going to be name of the owner. Actually, it's going to be the first. Let's do it in easy ways. I'm not going to use it first time. I'm going to use it full name. Okay, so operator don't have to go from one field to another to just to answer the name. Okay, so the next one is full name, and what was phone number, citizen address. So next field is phone number, and is going to be the models dot jar field. Max length is we have the max length of 11 numbers, but I'm going to give it some more space. That's with 11 because it's going to be used domestically, so we don't have to do anything else. And nothing else here. We need son of, father's name. I don't think it's necessary. Citizen of, this is a critical thing. Okay, so here we are going to give some options to the user, but for right now I'm using the chart field, and we will edit this field later. So I'm going to give it a 5. Workforce name is good. So next field is address, and it is the address of the owner, and it's also going to be a chart field. And let's do it max length. I'm going to give it 100. Okay, so I think everything is clear here. I'm going to just capital. Okay, so the basic database is ready, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to start our virtual environment. Okay, everything is good and going. I'm going to open it, and it says that home is not okay. So everything is cool. I'm going to run the migrations. Make migration, and we call it migrate. Cool. So until now we don't have our super user, and I'm going to create our super user, and let's see what will happen. Okay, okay, so our super user has been created, and I'm going to access this. Let me just, oh, come on. Sorry guys about that. Okay, so we have here, I'm going to write admin, and we have Django. Cool. Okay, so we don't have it here. I'm going to register it really quickly. Where's our admin? Anything else for me? No. So here we have the honors, and what we are going to do, we are going to insert our first value here, national identity card number. Going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, so this is the format of the ID card number in our country. 5 letters, then these 7 letters, and then 1 letter. Okay, this is a format, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to write my name here. So my name is Farhan. Phone number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's going to be Pakistan. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so this is a small mistake here. I'll fix it. And we should have some more characters limit here. I will fix this issue. And okay, so we have this information here. I'm going to save it. It's saved very quickly. We need to uh, update this thing because we can't see whose data is this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to update our models. I'm going to add a function here. It's called str function, and we don't need this. I'm going to make this self dot. What we should do here? Should we use the name? Also, let's do the name and we delete it later. Okay, so we have a name here. If we want the ID, we just use the CNIC here. Okay, so here it is, our first attempt to create our models. So you guys have to do, what you guys have to do is create another model where we will save this information. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to add this vehicle number, chassis number, model number, engine number, and type of vehicle. Make all of these fields string value, and we will convert them into the choice later. But first of all, you need to create this, only this section. Okay, the image number 2 from the last video lecture. I need you to create this field, and once you guys have submitted this assignment, I will update this model, and I will make a one-to-many relationship. Okay, so I will wait for your response on this video.